And it goes a little something like,
I'll keep love you warm all summer, and after I'll keep you warm all summer, and after I'll keep love you warm all summer, and after I'll keep you warm.
How to make a dog in BLOXBURG. First, search up dog or puppy on Safari or Google. Pick your photo and save it to Photos. I recommend white background. Then search remove.bg and click Upload Image. Use the image. Then save it to Photos. Search roblox.com. Request desktop. Click Create. Then click Decals. Choose File. Click Photo Library and use your photo. Copy the link. Then go into BLOXBURG. Go into Basic Shapes. Click the cube, then choose the transparent one. Resize the cube. Search decal. Click the square decal. You can choose the two-sided decal or just the square decal. Then click where it says, Enter Imaged, and paste your link. Delete all the other words and letters except for the numbers in the /. Then there you have it. This is how a double-sided vs. the square decal looks. You can also move it up and down and resize it so that your dog is the size that you want. That's all for now. Bye. Panda out.